Peekaboo. Sometimes we play peekaboo with our little brother or sister. Guess what? Today we're going to focus on the letter P for Penelope Pig. And I have pigtails. What colors do I have in my shirt that begin with the letter P? Yes, I have pink and purple. So today we're going to sing a song that has a lot of words that begin with the onset P sound. We're going to count them. So sing along with me and learn this song about Penelope Pig's picnic. Penelope Pig and her pal Polly packed a perfect little lunch, went down to the penguins' picnic, drank up all the purple punch. While the penguins played some ping pong, they were left there all alone. They ate every lunch they came to until all the food was gone. 50 pounds of roasted peanuts, popcorn piled up to the sky, 13 jars of peanut butter, 15 plates of pizza pie. Pickles, pears, and pink popsicles, they just couldn't bear to stop. When the penguins came to eat lunch, they were just about to pop. Okay, so now we're going to say all the words that begin with P, and then we're going to count them. So let's say them with me. Penelope Pig, pal, Polly, packed, perfect, penguins, picnic. Purple, punch, penguins, played. Ping pong, pounds, peanuts, popcorn, piled. Peanut, butter, plates, pizza, pie, pickles, pears, and pink. Popsicles, penguins, pop. How many words began with P? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There are 27 words that begin with P in here. Great job, class. Now I want you to look. Look at the picture. Picture also begins with P. Can you see anything else? Maybe you can look closely and find 2 more words that begin with the letter P. I see a few things. I'm going to point to that. What about this? What about this? Have a great day.